Hello students, now let's continue lesson number 7 on page number 53. Okay, now Flamingo who came to India and at first he visited Gujarat, and in Gujarat at first he came in Kutch district. So after visiting Kutch district it went to Jamnagar district, and in Jamnagar district it visited Pirotan island. Okay, there he see different fishes, and there he came in Gir. Okay, now let's see what he see in Gir. Now lion says, "Welcome Flamingo." Flamingo says, "Do you live here?" Lion says, "Yes, we are found only in the Gir forest of Gujarat in entire Asia." Now, the lion, they are only found in Gujarat, and that is only Gir district of Gujarat in entire Asia. Okay, lion lives only Gir forest of India in entire Asia. In no countries Asiatic lions are seen only in Gir forest. Now, Gir forest is the only sanctuary for Asiatic lion in the entire Asia. So, entire Asia, lions are only seen in Gujarat. Okay, and that is in Gir forest. Now, Flamingo says, "What is a sanctuary?" Now, lion says, the meaning of the sanctuary is a protected region where animals and birds can move freely without any fear and can be protected and bred is also known as sanctuary. Okay, a protected region where animals and birds can move freely without any fear and can be protected and bred is known as sanctuary. Okay, જે animals and birds without fear freely હરી ફરી શકે અને એવો પ્રોટેક્ટેડ હોય. ઓકે, સો એવા રિજનને શું કહેવાય? સેન્ચ્યુરી વેર હન્ટિંગ ઓફ એનિમલ ઇઝ બેન, જ્યાં એનિમલ્સનું હન્ટિંગ કરવાનું ઉપર બેન હોય. ઓકે, સો ધીસ ટાઈપ ઓફ રિજિયન ઇઝ કોલ્ડ સેન્ચ્યુરી. Okay, so lion told that there are sanctuaries in Gujarat for animals like bear, wild ass, black bug and chinkara. We have seen that chinkaras, for chinkara sanctuary is there in Kutch. Okay, we have seen that. Now think and say, we have to skip these questions. Now read. Flamingo goes to Girnar. There are other hills also in Gujarat. Now from Gir he goes to see Girnar hill. There are other hills also in Gujarat. Okay, other hills. Then Pavagadh in Vindhyachal hill range in Panchmahal. Then Arasur in Arvalli range of Banaskantha. Saputara in the Satpura range of Dang district, and Setrunjay in Bhavnagar district. So there are many hills in Gujarat. So Girnar hill is visited by Flamingo, but other than Girnar there are many other hills are also in Gujarat. So Pavagadh in Vindhyachal hill range in Panchmahal district. So Pavagadh hill, then Arasur hill in Arvalli range of Banaskantha district. So second one Arasur hill, first one Pavagadh hill, Arasur hill, then Saputara hill. It is located in the Satpura range of Dang district, and Setrunjay hill in Bhavnagar district. So there are many hills seen in located in Gujarat. There are many small range hills in Gujarat also. So range of hills are also there in Gujarat. Okay, now turn the page. Name of hill Girnar. Girnar hill is located in which district? Girnar hill is located in Junagadh district, where our Flamingo visited. Okay, Flamingo visited in Girnar hill. Okay, it is located in Junagadh district. Now Pavagadh Hill is located in Panchmahal district. Now Arasor Hill is located in Banaskantha district. Now Satpura Hill is located in Dang district, and Satrunjaya Hill is located in Bhavnagar district. So these hills and districts you have to write down in your textbook. Okay students, now read some other details are also given here, read them. Now there is a big center of fishery in Verawal along the long coastal region of Gujarat. Okay, our Gujarat has a long coastal region which length is 1600 kilometer long. Okay, and in Verawal district, in Verawal coast, there are fishery business also flourish. Now, a flourishing is a huge business of wrecked ship thriving in Alang Port in Bhavnagar district. No, now in Alang Port in Bhavnagar district, there is a flourish of business of wrecked ship thriving means જે શ્રીપ એકદમ રેક્ડ મીન્સ કે એકદમ ડિસ્ટ્રોય થઈ ગયા હોય અને ભાંગવા માટેનો બિઝનેસ ફ્લોરિશ થયો છે વેર ઇન અલંગ પોર્ટ ઇન ભાવનગર ડિસ્ટ્રિક્ટ. ઓકે, વહાણને ભાંગવાનો, જે વહાણ બગડી ગયું હોય, ઓકે, સો આવા વહાણને ડિસ્ટ્રોય કરીને એની અંદરથી કંઈક ન્યૂ બનાવવામાં આવે, ઇન્વેન્ટ કરવામાં આવે. ઓકે, સો દેટ ટાઈપ ઓફ બિઝનેસ ઇઝ ફ્લોરિશ ઇન અલંગ પોર્ટ ઇન ભાવનગર ડિસ્ટ્રિક્ટ. Now bamboo, sardad, hardarvo, sesame and timro trees grow in the forest of Dang district. Okay, these are the name of different trees. Okay, bamboo, sardad, hardarvo, sesame and timru trees grow in forest of Dang district. Okay, mostly Dang district is covered by forest area. Okay, then building wood of teak is produced in huge quantity. Okay, so here teak wood is produced in huge quantity in Dang district. Now entire Dang district mostly is forest region. Now beautiful botanical garden of Vaghai and Gira Fall are also there in Dang district. Okay, so botanical garden of Vaghai and Gira Fall is also in Dang district. Now Saputara of Dang district is the only hill station of Gujarat. Remember that Saputara of Dang district is the only hill station of Gujarat, and dolphin is the national aquatic animal of our country. That is also remember. Okay, it's here. Dolphin is the national aquatic animal of our country. Okay, remember that. Now turn the page here. Gujarat is the region of many rivers. Now Narmada is the biggest river. Sabarmati, Tapi and Mahisagar are also big river in Gujarat. So there are many big rivers in Gujarat, but which is the biggest river of Gujarat? That is Narmada is the biggest river of Gujarat, and other rivers of Gujarat are Sabarmati, Tapi, Mahisagar are also big rivers in Gujarat. Now Sardar Sarovar Dam is built on the Narmada river. Now from Girnar, that is Junagadh district, our flamingo flew to Dang district and then it flew or came to Narmada river. Okay, then by this irrigation, so there is a Sardar Sarovar Dam built on Narmada river. By this irrigation scheme, water is supplied to many regions of Gujarat. Water is supplied up to Kutch. This dam is also used to generate electricity. So the Sardar Sarovar Dam is the biggest dam, and by this dam we can produce electricity also, and we can supply water in many regions up to Kutch district. Okay, સરદાર સરોવર ડેમથી આપણે ક્યાં સુધી રિવર વોટર પાસ કરી શકાય? સો અપ ટુ કચ્છ ડિસ્ટ્રિક્ટ સુધી રિવર વોટરને સપ્લાય થઈ રહ્યું છે. સો ઇન મેની ડિસ્ટ્રિક્ટ, ઇન મેની એરિયાઝ વોટર્સ આર સપ્લાયડ બાય સરદાર સરોવર સ્કીમ. ઓકે, ઇરિગેશન સ્કીમ. And this dam, there is also on this dam electricity is also generate. Okay, so for this also this dam is very useful. Now think and say here we have to write down the rivers of our district. So there are three rivers are big in our district: Auranga River, Par River and Daman-Ganga River, and biggest river of our district is Daman-Ganga River. Now dams we have to skip this. Okay, so which is the biggest river of our Valsad district? That is Daman-Ganga River. Now see the paragraph. The flamingo flew from Narmada River and reached Gandhinagar. So from Narmada River our flamingo reached to Gandhinagar. It is the capital of Gujarat. Visiting Amul Dairy of Anand and Kadana Dam of Mahisagar River. Okay, that is the visiting place of Gandhinagar. Okay, so Gandhinagar is our capital, and what is the visiting place of Gandhinagar? That is Amul Dairy is located in Gandhinagar, and Amul Dairy in Anand, and then and Kadana Dam of Mahisagar River. Okay, so Amul Dairy in Anand and Kadana Dam of Mahisagar River. So it is also visited by flamingo. Okay, then Gandhinagar is the city of Gujarat possessing highest number of trees. Okay, remember students that Gandhinagar is the city of Gujarat and it possessed the highest number of trees. સૌથી વધારામાં વધારે ટ્રીઝ ક્યાં છે આપણા આખા ગુજરાતમાં? તો which cities possess a highest number of trees? At that time it is Gandhinagar. Okay, Gandhinagar is possess highest number of trees. The flamingo also visited Indroda Park and Mahatma Mandir. So it is located in Gandhinagar, Indroda Park and Mahatma Mandir. From there it went Ahmedabad, situated on the bank of Sabarmati River. So from Gandhinagar, flamingo came to visit Ahmedabad. Ahmedabad, which is situated on the bank of river Sabarmati. Okay, Sabarmati river ના કિનારા ઉપર અહેમદાબાદ સિટી બહુ જ સરસ ફ્લોરિશ ઓર પ્રોસ્પર થઈ છે. This is Gandhi Ashram. Okay, so flamingo saw Gandhi Ashram and he say, Jai Ho Gandhi Bapu. Wow! Kankaria Lake also looks very beautiful. That is located in Ahmedabad. Okay, so Gandhi Ashram is in Ahmedabad and Kakaria Lake also located in Ahmedabad. So these are the visiting place of Ahmedabad city. Okay, understand student? Kakaria Lake and Gandhi Ashram from Ahmedabad. Okay, so these are visiting place of seen by flamingo. Now turn the page here. Nal Sarovar is a bird sanctuary situated between Ahmedabad and Surendranagar. It is the bird sanctuaries. Nal Sarovar, very beautiful place it is. Okay, Nal Sarovar is the bird sanctuary situated between Ahmedabad and Surendranagar district. Okay, on the onset of winter, different type of foreign birds are seen here. So migratory birds are seen in Nal Sarovar when it is winter. Okay, so the scene of this all the birds are very beautiful. Okay, so that is Nal Sarovar located between Ahmedabad and Surendranagar district. Now I enjoyed in Gujarat and enjoyed a lot. I love Gujarat. Now flamingo said that. Okay, I love Gujarat. Now activity, fill yellow color in the district visited by flamingo. Now you have to fill the yellow color in the map whatever district which are visited by flamingo. So first one, flamingo visited Kutch district, then Jamnagar district, then Junagadh district, then Amreli district, all the coastal region I think. Okay, so Jamnagar, Junagadh, Gir Somnath, okay, Amreli, Bhavnagar, then Narmada, then Ahmedabad and Gandhinagar. Okay, Ahmedabad and Gandhinagar. So these are the district and cities which are visited by Flamingo. Okay, I hope you enjoy our Gujarat. There are many places which can be visited, and there are many beautiful places located in Gujarat. I hope you know and I hope you understand. Okay, in whole lesson. Okay, students, take care all. Stay home, stay safe.